Hello again everyone. I still remember Adam, a campaign manager who has been getting more done with Smartsheet. But like all of us, the more he grows, the more there is to manage across teams, timelines, and projects. So Adam looked for even smarter ways to stay on top of it all. And in this video, I will show you 3 quick Smartsheet tips that will help him to level up his workflow and can help you too. First tip we're going to look at is formulas. Adam wanted to track how many tasks his team had completed without counting them manually. So using count in formula, he can instantly see the total number of tasks marked as completed. So all he has to do is type the formulas. So when we click enter, we will see the number of tasks that has been completed. So now instead of scrolling and counting, Adam sees real-time progress so he can focus more on strategy of the campaign. Next up, custom notification. Adam used to get overwhelmed by constant alerts. Every update triggered a notification and it got noisy fast. Now, he customized his alert to only notify him when the status change or if there is critical task, as well as when the due date is approaching. So that way, Adam stays informed on what matters without the clutters. The third tip is link sheet. Adam's team uses multiple sheets for different campaigns. He used to spend hours pulling updates together, but not anymore. By linking key cells across sheets, he can centralize views that push real-time updates from all projects. So, no more copy-paste, just live data all in one place. And just like that, Adam's workflow is faster, smarter, and more connected. If you want to get more done with less stress, try these 3 tips in Smartsheet today and let me know in the comments which one benefited in your workflows.